Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, I have a fairy tale special pick a card love reading right after this general reading. You can stay tuned for that, guys. So we will see what are these cards first. We have Book, Moon and Rider. So Pisces, in your situation today, you are someone who's having great dreams, goals and aspirations, and you have a lot of fantasies for your relationship, guys, for this love. So you are always dreaming, living in your dream world, and maybe for some of you, you have your very sharp intuition. So when you are making some choices or some important decisions, you see your intuition guiding you, guys, or it may be your instinct, something telling you to make a move in a particular direction. So if you have that, you need to listen to it, guys. Listen to your intuition today. So you will be making the right choices if you do that in your life today, Pisces. And maybe for some of you today, you are learning something new. Maybe it may be you are attending some workshops, or you are going to something to learn, maybe, or you are getting knowledge about something, maybe a person or some kind of a circumstance, something, some secrets, maybe about a particular person or circumstance. So maybe you know their secrets or they know your secrets, or it may be the secrets of some situation which was not clear for you. You had a lot of doubts about that circumstance. It may be in your work. So you are having some clarity, guys, and that is clearing the way things are today in your life, and that is changing. The secrets are changing the way things are between yourself. Between yourself and this person you love, guys. So that's also what I see, guys. And Pisces, today you are getting some news. It may be about this person you love. Maybe if you are in a long distance relationship, they are sending you some emails or letters, some important form of communication is reaching you, some kind of announcement is coming, or it may be some important message that is going to change your destiny, guys. And it may be a positive change, guys. Pisces, you need not worry. So that is also what I see with these cards, Pisces. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. It is Birds. So you have some kind of responsibility in this relationship. You are making an important decision. Maybe this news may be the reason. Maybe they want to get married or get engaged to you. So you are thinking about it, whether to accept their decision or not. So you are making some important choices for yourself, and you are taking suggestions from friends or family, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Child. So there are some kind of opportunities, new opportunities or offers coming your way, pushing you towards some fresh start in your life today, guys, in your work situation. Or it may be this way also, you are making some immature decisions for yourself. So if you are making some decisions today, Pisces, you have to think it through. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be a fairy tale pick a card love reading. So we have two cards here. This is your first card, this is your second card, and we have two crystals. So you can either meditate with the cards or the crystals. Think about your situation for a few seconds in silence. Close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. For those who chose this crystal and this card, let's see what is the card. It is fair, brown, and trembling. So that is the card for you all, guys. So with this card, the energy is that when this card comes to you, it just means that you do not have to accept what others are expecting you to do. Maybe they have some plans for you. So you do not have to accept those plans, whatever it is, guys. Maybe you are shy and nervous and you are, you feel humiliation when you do not listen to others. But whatever it is, guys, you need not accept what others are wishing for you or others are expecting you to do. You just have to do what you love to do and what you want for your life. And maybe you need to value yourself for what you are. Maybe your shyness or strangeness, whatever it is going to be most valued because it is your own unique quality, and the person who likes those qualities will come towards you. You need not worry, guys. So you need to accept that person who respects you for what you truly are. And today you are going to get lucky. You are going to find that true happiness and a true gift that will only bring you happiness and not the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe in your situation, people from your family or your parents or siblings, they are forcing you into something, but you need to take stock, go with what you like and choose someone who will respect you for what you are, guys, and see the truth in you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the guidance with this oracle card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal, the second crystal, and the second card, let's see what it is. It is Verde Prato, wounds. So for those who chose this card, guys, the second card, it just means that you are in some situation. Maybe you are facing a lot of stress or worries, or you are being punished for what you are hiding, guys. Maybe you have kept something in secret. You have hidden your feelings or emotions you have for someone, and people close to you, it may be your family members or friends, whoever it is, they are trying to control your decisions and they are trying to punish you for what you are hiding from them. And the worst has happened and you are in a lot of stress and troubles. But whatever it is, if you stay true to your heart, you are going to pass this test, guys. And there is no need for you to expose your true feelings to these people who are trying to control you. You do not owe them anything, guys. And this is the time for you to feel free, feel happy, and your love, true love, will come to you. For sure, it will come back to you and it will find you. So you need to just stay true to your heart, true to your feelings. So sometimes in life, guys, if we have some emotions or love towards someone, we should not hide those feelings. It is only going to lead to pain and some kind of misunderstandings. So we should tell that person the truth, what we truly feel, and we should face any fears that we have in our life, in any situation, and whatever wounds that we get in this course of loving a person, it is all going to get cured through our own courage. So we have the solution right within us. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the story for you all, for those who chose the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this video resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.